wanted to share with you my newest selfie stick and tripod by Atumtek. This thing is so freaking cool. So look, this little thing right here is a selfie stick and a tripod, not to mention, you can pop this bad boy on the front right out. Boom, you have your Bluetooth clicker. Are you kidding me? Like, how sleek and cool is this design here? They have a high quality guarantee, free shipping, and a 3-year warranty. You can use my code Tiana for 15% off. I will put the code on the screen as well as in the description box below with the link to their website so you can easily find this bad boy. But it's so freaking cool, I wanted to show you guys how to use it. So it's super easy to travel with because it is so compact, which is one thing that I always look for because I do travel a lot. But I want to show you guys how to use this bad boy. So you just pull up the top here, you link your phone to the clip here, and it can be a selfie stick like so. It's also able to extend even more if you have a big group that you got to get in the picture here. Look at this bad boy. It's literally almost as tall. It's literally almost as tall as I am. Look at this. The reach on this bad boy is insane. And not to mention, not only is it a selfie stick, but it's a tripod. So there is a simple push button at the very bottom here. You push this bad boy, and boom, she opens up into a tripod. Look at this. One thing I'm super impressed with is how tall this tripod is. It's literally almost as tall as I am. And like I said, you have the super small compact Bluetooth clicker to hook up to your phone as well so you can get all of the shots.